In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Steam achievement notifications. If you want to play without pop-ups interrupting the action, the simplest way is to turn off the Steam overlay, either for every game or just for specific titles. I'll walk you through both approaches so you can choose what fits your setup. First, let's cover the global method. Open the Steam client on your computer. In the top left corner, click the Steam menu, then select Settings. In the window that appears, look to the left sidebar and choose the In-Game tab. Here you'll see an option called Enable the Steam overlay while in-game. Uncheck this box. Disabling the overlay stops all in-game overlay notifications, including those achievement pop-ups. It also turns off the overlay features themselves, like the Shift tab menu and related notifications. Achievements will still unlock on your account, you just won't see the on-screen banners. For the change to take effect, restart Steam or simply restart the game you're playing. This global setting applies to all games in your library, so it's a good pick if you want a consistent, distraction-free experience across the board. Just keep in mind that you're also disabling overlay tools you might use, such as quick access to chat or other overlay widgets. If you prefer to silence achievements for only one game, do it on a per-game basis. Go to your Steam library and find the title you want to adjust. Right-click it and choose Properties. You'll land on the General tab by default. In that tab, uncheck Enable the Steam overlay while in-game for that specific game. That's it. From now on, achievements in that title will unlock silently without the pop-up, and only that game is affected. If the game is currently running, close and reopen it to apply the change. That's all you need. Thanks for watching.